Yes, students, today's topic is linear homogeneous equations. I have already explained when the system of equation necessary and sufficient conditions for the system of linear homogeneous equations to have solution, unique solution or no solution or number of solutions. Consider this: Ax is equal to 0 is system of linear equations with usual notation. You know what is A and X. Then suppose it is a system of linear equations, m equations in n unknowns. Then what happens? If the rank of A is less than n, then only it has a solution. Suppose rank of A is R less than n, then there will be n minus R independent solutions. Infinite number of solutions, and number of independent solutions is n minus R. Now one more case is, suppose m is equal to n. What do you mean by m is equal to n? M is equal to n means number of equations is same as number of unknowns. Suppose there are 10 equations, 10 unknowns. 10 linear equations, 10 unknowns. x1, x2, etc., x10. Then, if, what is the condition? Rank of this A must be less than n. Therefore, n is, that is A is singular, then only the equations has a solution. Understand? M is equal to n. A becomes a square matrix of order n. And if determinant A not 0, then what happens? Rank becomes n. So, if determinant A is equal to 0, rank will be less than n, then it has unique solution. Now, I consider problems on this. With this, some previous knowledge, you can solve problems. Problem is, find the value of lambda for which the following equations 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 0, 3x plus y minus z is equal to 0, lambda x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution. What do you mean by a trivial solution? Trivial means this system of equations always have one solution. What is that? X is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. If you take x is, y is, z is 0, all the equations are satisfied. And that is called trivial solution. Apart from that, 0, 0, 0, if it has any solution, then it is called non-trivial solution. What is the problem now? Find the value of this lambda for which the equation has a non-trivial solution. When the system of linear equations has solution, we have discussed here, if m is equal to n, then m is equal to n means number of equations is same as number of unknowns. Then, if the matrix is singular, that means determinant A is 0, then only rank of the matrix becomes, that coefficient matrix becomes less than number of unknowns, then only it has a solution, non-trivial solution. We use that one. Now, the given system of equations, solution is like this. Given system of equations in the matrix form is as follows. Ax is equal to 0. What is A? Coefficient matrix 2 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 2, lambda minus 2 1. This is coefficient matrix. X means x, y, z. Unknowns are x, y, z. And 0 is 0 matrix. Now, if this is singular, determinant of A is equal to 0, then only it has a non-trivial solution. Consider determinant A. Determinant A is determinant 2 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 2, lambda minus 2 1. Now that should be 0 determinant. Then only it has a non-trivial solution. Now evaluate that determinant. It is 2 into 1 minus 4 plus 1 into, you know how to evaluate third order determinant. 2 into, leave this row and column, second order determinant, minus of minus, therefore plus 1 into, leave second column, first row. What do you get? 3 plus 2 lambda plus 2 into, now take this 2 into minus 6 minus lambda. This must be equal to 0. For the system to have non-trivial solution, the coefficient matrix must be singular. When number of equations is same as number of unknowns, then this coefficient matrix must be singular. Singular means determinant must be 0. That gives value of lambda. Now simplify this. Minus 6 plus 3, 2 lambda minus 12 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. What happened here? Two into what is this? 2 minus 1 2, 3 1. What is the system of equation? 2x minus y plus 2z is 0, 3x plus y minus z is 0, lambda x minus 2y plus z is 0, 2 minus 1 2, 3 1 3 1, sorry, it must be minus 1. So I have got some contradiction here because, sorry, I entered this as minus 2, but what is the coefficient? Minus 1. So it must be minus 1. I make here 2 into 1 minus 2 it is. 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 3 plus lambda. 3 plus lambda plus 2 into minus 6 minus lambda is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2 plus 3 plus lambda minus 12 minus 2 lambda is 0. Therefore, minus lambda minus 11 is 0. Am I correct here? Lambda minus 2 lambda minus 12, 14 minus 3 is minus 11. Lambda is minus 12. Therefore, the system of equations have non-trivial solution when lambda is minus 11. One more similar problem. Find the values of lambda. Values of lambda for which the system has a non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution. 7x plus 4y plus 3z is 0. X plus 2y plus lambda z is 0. X plus 3y plus 2z is 0. 2z is 0. Find the values of or value of lambda. Problem is exactly similar. When this equation has a solution, non-trivial solution, since it is a system of three equations in three unknowns, let A, the coefficient matrix is 7 4 3 1 2 lambda 1 3 2. If this is singular, then the system has unique solution. The system has solution. Determinant A is 0. Then same as solution, non-trivial solution. What is the determinant? 7, 4, 3, 1, 2 lambda, 1, 3, 2 must be equal to 0. Evaluate this. 7 into 4 minus 3 lambda minus 4 into 2 minus lambda plus 3 into 3 minus 2 must be equal to 0. So 28 minus 21 lambda minus 8 plus 4 lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 17 lambda is equal to minus 23. Lambda is 23 by 17. Am I correct here? 23 by 17. So this is the type of problem. I leave the remaining two problems as exercise. You try that two problems. I leave that as exercise. Now I consider non-homogeneous equations. In the beginning only I explained homogeneous and non-homogeneous equations. Non-homogeneous means at least one of the constants b1, b2, etc. must be not 0. Now, system of non-homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous linear equations. M equations, n unknowns. Linear M equations, n unknowns. N unknowns. What is the system of equations? A11 x1, A12 x2 plus so on. A1 n xn is equal to b1. A21 x1, A22 x2 plus so on. A2n xn is equal to b2. Finally, am1 x1, am2 x2 plus so on, amn xn is equal to bn. Suppose one of these b1, b2, bn is not 0, then it is called non-homogeneous equations. Non-homogeneous equation. Now, the matrix form of the equation is Ax is equal to B. What is A? A is equal to coefficient matrix A11, A12, A13, A1n, A21, A21, A22, A23, A2n, so on. AM1, AM2, AM3, AMN. This is A. It is called coefficient matrix. Now, we got C is equal to matrix AB. It is called augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. What is augmented matrix? A11, A12, etc. A1n, A21, A22, A2n, so on. AM1, AM2, etc. AMN. And one more additional column consisting of these constants B1, B2, Bn, Bn. Now this column is separated by this dot, these two dots. Now this consists of additional one column, that is B1, B2, etc. Bn. Now this is called augmented matrix. Now necessary and sufficient conditions for this system of non-homogeneous equation to have a solution is the rank of this coefficient matrix and the augmented matrix must be same. If rank of A is equal to rank of C, then only this has a solution. This has a solution. If rank of A is equal to rank of C is less than n, what is n? Number of unknowns. M equations, n unknowns. then only it has a solution. Has a solution. If rank of A is not equal to rank of C, it has no solution. And if rank of A is equal to rank of C is equal to R, and R is less than N, then it has N minus R independent solutions. N minus R independent solution. If number of solutions will be infinite and N minus R independent solutions will be there. To summarize, this is system of non-homogeneous linear equations with m equations, n unknowns. We write A as coefficient matrix like this, matrix formed by the coefficients, and this C is called augmented matrix. It consists of A, also B, also B. Now we find out the rank of this C by reducing to row reduced echelon form. We reduce this to echelon form, and we can find out rank of A as well as C. I explain by taking examples. We reduce this to echelon form, from which we can find out rank of A as well as this C. If they are equal, rank of A is equal to rank of C, then it has a solution, and it must be less than N, then it has a solution. And if rank of A is not equal to rank of C, it has no solution. Also, it is rank of A is rank of C is R less than N, there will be N minus R independent solutions. And if M is equal to N, M is equal to N, rank of A is equal to rank of C is N, then it has unique solution. System has unique solution. This is the procedure here. System of M equations, N unknowns. This is called coefficient matrix. And augmented matrix, C notation is this. Augmented matrix is consists of coefficient matrix with additional one column. What is that column? Consisting of constants. Constants in the equation, this equation. Then, if M is equal to N, then what happens? This becomes A becomes square matrix. If M is equal to N, then rank of A is equal to rank of C is equal to N, it has unique solution. First thing. If M is not equal to N, M is not equal to N, then what happens? M greater than N, then it has unique solution. M greater than N, unique solution. M less than N, it has infinite solutions. And if rank of A is equal to rank of C is R, which is less than N, then the system has N minus R independent solutions. It has infinite solution and N minus R independent solutions. I give you all these things as a notes and the theory part. Now I take some problems here. Investigate the values of, investigate for what values of lambda and mu, the system of equations x plus 2y plus z is equal to 8, 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 13, 3x plus 4y minus lambda z is equal to mu have this is mu have first one no solution, second unique solution, third one infinity of solutions. If I solve this problem, all this theory part is covered in this problem. No solution, unique solution, infinite solutions. Very standard problem it is. Important from examination point of view. You will get this type of problem. What is the problem here? It consists of lambda and mu here. You have to find out the values of lambda and mu, for which it has no solution, unique solution, infinite solution. I explain the proof of this in the next video, and if possible, you try the problem, and solution you will get in the next video. Okay, thank you.